Now we start to prepare a toffee banana.
So we're adding a little flour to the banana, and why is that?
Yeah, because then later they can easily coat in the batter for frying. Because otherwise.
So will we find the same batter for the bananas as well?
Yeah. Because we need the crispy banana.
Right.
Yeah.
So crispy prawns and then crispy bananas. So here we are, ready with the hot oil. Perfect, and in goes our bananas dipped in the batter. Chopsticks again being used.
Yeah.
Wow. At the moment the bananas start changing color,
yeah,
it's that means they're fried. They're fried well. And what color should be the sugar?
The sugar later on will slowly turn into the light yellow color, that will be the right color.
So once the sugar starts turning slightly yellow, that means it's done to coat the bananas.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can see the sugar changing its color and the moisture almost is just out of the wok.
So now we put the.
Oh, okay.
We put
so
the.
In goes
banana.
the already deep fried bananas. Just gonna mix it.
Yeah. The gas, when they take it, they should, when they dry, they should see all the strings to come out.
Perfect.
And then the missing is you have to show in the dish with all these.
So this is more like a presentation thing that comes.
Yes.
So the sugar coating has turned into sugar string. So waited long enough for the food to be done, and of course the sweet dish took slightly little longer, but we're all set for the dinner table. So here I'll place my dessert.
Yes, let me place the food so we can
make
start.
place for the food.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'll be having it.
Thank you.
Of course, we'll be having it. We'll be enjoying it rather.
Yes, please have it.
Thank you, Chef.
Yep.
Well, the dinner table looks beautiful with all the colors. And of course, a dessert that's partly missing in a lot of meals that I've had. So what should we have before? What should we have the first thing?
I would suggest you have the fish first, because that is light taste, so later you have a...
Perfect. We'll have something light before.
Yes.
We'll have something.
Yes.
You'll be serving with me with chopsticks?
Oh, why not?
I have my pair already, but I'm still hesitating, a little skeptical about using them, so I'd rather use my fork. Yeah.
Okay. So I can guide for you, please.
Perfect, thank you,
Enjoy.
Chef.
My pleasure.
Well, I've been served with the fish, the steamed fish. That was the first thing that we prepared. And I'm not going to do much of talking right now. As it is, we've waited long enough for this food. Just perfect. I'm going to try the prawns now. I'm going to use my fork.
Yeah.
And since this is a little colorful, of course, I'm expecting some spices in it, definitely. But tell me, Chef, is it going to be a little spicier?
It's a little bit spicy.
But Chinese food is usually is not spicy, is it?
Well, it depends on the cuisines. In the Sichuan cuisine food, it's even more spicy than Pakistani food.
I just love the prawns. Number one reason being that they're so crispy. I can feel the taste of sesame seeds that were just sprinkled, although they were just barely sprinkled on it. But the taste is just coming out in the prawns. It's a good choice for people who want to have something spicy, and Chinese, of course. The ambience, I must talk about it, because it's simple, yet it's just basic. You could see it's all wooden, it's all very subtle color, but it's just extravagant. It's just beautiful. And Abadi is one of the top hotels in Karachi, and it's maintained its quality, its food, its standards. You could probably judge by the place you're seeing right now. The entire interior is just so simple, but yet it's elegant, it's beautiful. And the ambience in here just puts you in the right mood that one wants to capture and never let it go. I've had my fish, I've had my prawns. I am I so want to have my banana toffee that Thomas made. This is seriously, this is like breathtaking. I've never had something so divine, something so distracting. I can almost close my eyes, have it, and just keep having it. The entire plate is filled up. I don't know how many am I going to have it. Well, chef, great food.
Thank you.
Great meeting you. I've had the most wonderful time in here. I loved the entire menu, like from fish to prawns to the banana toffee. It was all just spectacular. Well, a lot of people, a lot of Pakistanis love Chinese food, and anybody in the mood for Chinese, this place is a must visit. You know, thumbs up to the entire menu, to the entire place. This is the time I have to end it up, but so that I can meet you next week with something nice and exciting, and of course with another surprising journey. Wonder where it'll take me and all of you. So, ciao everyone.